In this video, I'll show you how to update the firmware on the VIOFO A129 Duo. I'm updating the camera to the latest firmware because when I connected the camera and started it up, I saw that it was on version 1.0 of the firmware. I'm formatting the micro SD card using FAT32 file system. It takes seconds to format, and then to update the firmware, just go to the VIOFO website, click on support and choose the model of the camera. Here I'm choosing the VIOFO A129 Duo. I'm downloading the firmware and simply copying it to the micro SD card. To update the firmware, insert the micro SD card that has the firmware on it and start the camera. I will put a counter on the screen to let you know how much time the firmware takes to update. I'm not speeding up the video here. It's just to help you know how much time the firmware update will take. As you see, when the firmware updates, the record light blinks rapidly many times. And this is another time that it's blinking. Overall, as you'll see, the firmware update will take 1 minute exactly to finish. Of course, you should wait for it to finish and don't disconnect the camera and don't think that it was blocked or something. Here it finished and the camera starts up after the firmware update finishes, and it will add the options, the additional options for the parking mode, as you'll see when I set up the camera completely. Here I'm testing the version of the firmware, and you see it is on version 1.9 from July 2019.